Welcome back to LINGOLIFT ACKEDMY. In this video, we're continuing our fruit adventure with 10 more fruits in Portuguese. Ready to expand your vocabulary? Let's dive in. Let's start with pear. In Portuguese, it's pera. Repeat after me. Pera. Great job. Next, we have cherry. In Portuguese, it's cereja. Let's say it together. Cereja. Papaya in Portuguese is mamão. Try saying it, mamão. This one's easy. Kiwi in Portuguese is the same as in English. Kiwi. Fig in Portuguese is figo. Let's say it together. Figo. Great. Coconut in Portuguese is coco. Try saying it, coco. Nice work. Avocado in Portuguese is abacate. Repeat after me, abacate. Next, we have melon. In Portuguese, it's melão. Let's say it together. Melão. Plum in Portuguese is ameixa. Say it with me, ameixa. And our final fruit for today is raspberry. In Portuguese, it's framboesa. Try saying it. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to say 10 common fruits in Portuguese. Keep practicing these words, and soon they'll be second nature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LINGOLIFT ACKEDMY for more fun and educational content. Obrigado for watching, and see you next time. Até logo.